Drag the part to the right place. You're doing really great. Let's fuel the fertilizer spreader truck. Pump. Ready. Let's fertilize the soil to grow corn. We need to wash the fertilizer spreader truck. Run the brush. That's all. We need to assemble a pre-sowing unit. Ready. First, let's fuel the pre-sowing unit. Pump. Don't stop. Let's prepare the soil for planting seeds. Let's fix the engine. Drag the canister to the red tank. Amazing! First, let's assemble a covered truck. Done! First, let's fuel the covered truck. Pump. Ready. Let's buy corn seeds for popcorn. We need to wash the covered truck. We did it! Let's assemble a seeding machine. Done! Let's fuel the seeding machine. Choose the refueling gun of the same color. Pump. We did it! Let's sow the field with corn. Drag the gears into the empty slots. Done! We need to assemble a rotary spreader truck. You're doing really great. Now we need to fuel the rotary spreader truck. Press the pump. You're doing really great. Let's loosen the soil and add fertilizer for young sprouts. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Let's wash the rotary spreader truck. Keep up the good work. We need to assemble a sprayer truck. Hooray! First, let's fuel the sprayer truck. Press the pump. Don't stop. Let's water the corn crop. Tap the screen to keep building. Connect the wires of the same color. You're doing really great. First, let's assemble a harrow tractor. Hooray! Let's fuel a harrow tractor. Choose the refueling gun, press the pump. Amazing! Let's remove weeds from the field. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. Tap the screen to make the machines continue building. We need to repair the engine. Pour the coolant. Install the pistons into the right slots. Install the missing pistons. Amazing! We need to assemble a pollinating machine. You're doing really great. Let's fuel the pollinating machine. Pump. Keep it up. Let's pollinate the blooming corn to get more crop. Let's wash the pollinating machine. Move the brush to wash the dirt away. Don't stop. We need to assemble a corn cob harvester. Ready. And now we need to fuel the corn cob harvester. Press the pump. Pump. That's all. The corn is ripe. It's time to harvest it. Let's fix the engine. Drag the canister to the red tank. Connect the wires by their colors. Keep it up. We need to assemble a grain truck. You're doing really great. We made it! Keep it up! We need to dry the grain to get tasty popcorn. Let's load the grain into the elevator. Let's wash the grain truck. We did it! We need to assemble a soil sampling car. You're doing really great. First, let's fuel the soil sampling car. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's clean the grain from trash. Let's install pistons on their places. Drag the air blowgun to the dirty spots. You're doing really great. Let's assemble a truck. Keep it up. Let's fuel the truck. Press the pump. Amazing! We made it! Keep it up! Let's pack the grain and prepare it for transportation. Let's assemble a market truck. That's all. And now we need to fuel the market truck. Pump. Done. Collect all plants to complete the level. Let's make popcorn from the grain we've got. Great! You've managed to make tasty popcorn.